is Chloe, and I have two phones. I vlog so many. My followers is not happening because my vlog is so ugly, and my second vlog is the Spider-Man trick, and tomorrow I gonna film something funny for you guys. But like and subscribe and follow me, and I have million 1K followers, and I'm so happy for you, and I so happy for you guys, and I give you Robux for free. And don't forget, like and subscribe, or 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 I gonna not give you Robux, okay? And my name is Chloe actually, and my battery phone is 2026, and I gonna charge it, but I don't know. And somebody's music on my out in my garden, but I don't care because I'm a chill as